Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to verify your TikTok account. If you're using TikTok and you want to verify your TikTok accounts, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on this profile option in the bottom right, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on account, and here tap on switch to business account. So very first you just need to try to switch your account at a business account because you cannot verify your personal account. So just tap on this next option here, then tap on next again, and here just select your category. So let's say I'm going to select gaming from here, then tap on next again here, and here you can add your email address, but I'm gonna skip this one. Then add your bio, but I'm going to skip this also. Then tap on view business suite, or you can also go back, close your TikTok app and relaunch it. Tap on profile option again. Tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. Now this time you'll get a business suite section and your creator and business tools. Just select business suite here and here just scroll down. Look for the option of TikTok page. So just select this need help option and the need help you just have to select account types. Then select blue verification badge account and here just select this what is verified badge and just tap on this no option, then tap on need more help. Now you'll get TikTok support and that you just have to continue to report with TikTok, and after that you just have to tell them that you want to verify your account and TikTok will directly verify your account. So in this way you can easily verify your TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.